Hello everybody, this is Amy Yoshimitsu with the ladies of JusticeLeague.com. We're here with Candace at All That and More Boutique. Basically, every professional and business person wants to dress for success. So let's hear it from Candace.
Yes, so as Amy mentioned, I'm Candace. I own All That and More Boutique here in Culver City. We're a brick and mortar located inside the Raintree Plaza, right next to Ralph's, where the Ralph's and the Denny's is. We also have a website, so our on-site boutique is www.allthat.moreboutique.com. And as Amy mentioned, we take great pleasure in dressing women from sizes 00 to 22 for their lifestyle and their body type. So it doesn't matter if you are a first lady of Culver City or you're walking your kids to school, we can style you to show up and give them all that and more. So speaking of which, I work with local women designers and international designers. The piece that I'm wearing is from a local designer here in Los Angeles, and I take great pride. They allow me to give creative input, and I think it's important that we support women in business. October is Women in Business Month. So if you're looking for a way to support a women in business, show their products, show up like Amy did, feature them on your website or feature them in your social media platforms. So we have women-owned business. So there's probably like 5 different women-owned businesses that we feature their products in our store. This piece was created by a woman. This perfume designed and created by a woman. So let's continue around the table. These t-shirts created and designed by another woman, being me. A morenista is a mature woman who dresses for her body type and her lifestyle, not a fashionista who follows fashion trends. This particular piece, it's out of, I believe, Turkey, another woman-owned company. As women, we love things that are versatile, things that are fun, things that are comfy, casual, classy with an edge. That being said, this jacket is very versatile. First, it feels amazing. Red is a color that's definitely eye-catching and it's a statement. But the unique piece about this, it's a jacket, long. It's also a hoodie. It also converts into a short jacket. So you can wear it long or you can wear it short. You can also convert it into a vest. So the sleeves come off. So in one piece, you actually get 5 different looks. So you can dress it up, you can dress it down, you can zip it off, you can zip it back on. Also, these are pieces, another woman-owned company. You want to make a statement, you like blue. This is a great piece. It's tie-dyed. It's fitted and flared, which means you're going to put it on. It's going to fit to your body, but it's also going to flare out. So you can style it with the blue and white, pull out the white, or you can add color. It's totally up to you. The one thing that we do when you come to All That and More is we style you. So in this instance, we would be adding this white skirt to the look. Again, it's a great summer look. If you're taking the look into fall, we would probably give you pieces that again make a statement, because if you're at a networking event, you want to draw people to you. So what you wear will start the conversation before you say a word. So for fall, we've definitely gone with this jacket. We added a pop of color so that you'd be popping at the event. October is Breast Cancer Awareness, so wear pink for outings so that you can start the conversation to have a discussion about breast cancer awareness and making sure folks are getting their exams. If you want to go into something a little more casual, but also dressy, so you're going out on a Sunday, or if you're presenting, that's where this dress comes into play. It has like a dome and sleeve, so again, we like things that flow, and a cow neck. So We can style you with hats for flair or not, but it's totally up to you. We like when you come in to find out where you're going, what you're doing, how you want to enter the room, and what statements you want to make without saying a word. Because we all buy fashion, but style is what we create, and that's what we help you do here at All That and More Boutique. Anything else you want me to share, Amy?
No, again, where are you located?
I'm located inside the Raintree Plaza. Our address is 10754 Jefferson Boulevard. We're right next to Ralph's, the Flame Broiler. Look for the UPS store. If you want to get a taste of what we do, go to our website. It's www.allthat.moreboutique.com. If you want to engage with us on any of our social media platforms, type in the same thing on Facebook or on Instagram, all that, the letter N, more boutique.
Great. And I just wanted to show her one of my most favorite outfit that Candace in. In fact, it's so popular, I think she sold like 5 or 6 of them.
Yes, come on down. I'll hold the camera for
Yep.
you.
So it's just so lightweight, comfortable. You can wear it for any event. Pockets, my favorite. If I could get rid of all my jackets, this is the one I would keep.
Yes.
So check us for more information, ladiesofjusticeleague.com. Thank you.
Thank you.